Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're all well and keeping safe. I hope that you all had an amazing day. So you know what? Welcome. I do know that it has been quite a while since I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. You know what? Chill with me for the next, let's say, half an hour whatsoever, right? Until we find ourselves having an actual entry on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I will try my best to, you know what, um find comfortability in, you know what, talking to myself. Okay, so let's get it. Let's get it. So H4 time frame, right? What I am currently seeing on my H4 time frame is literally the following. This will be a, you know what, look at it as this will be a, how can we call it? This can be a follow-up to show you guys like the progress of what has been happening, right? You guys know we have been doing some lovely breakdowns on this channel. And you know what? Our actual targets hasn't just been smacked once, twice, thrice, four times, whatsoever. It has been smacked quite a couple of times, right? And in terms of entry methods, you know what? I haven't shown you guys that much when it comes down to entry methods. But you know what, that is literally the last thing you have to focus on. The first thing you need to find yourself focusing on would literally be, you know what, directional biases, right? Can you read the charts, what the charts is basically presenting to you at the current moment, right? And how will you find yourself being reactive with what price is basically presenting to you, right? That is most important, because when you can find yourself having a directional bias, this simply means that when it comes down to your entry method, easy, right? If your chart is telling you that, you know what, we're gonna find this ourselves going towards the upside, then what? All you need to find yourself doing is literally just look for buys. If your chart is telling you that we are gonna go short, all you need to find yourself doing is literally just look for shorts. As simple as that, right? Most importantly, do not complicate your trading, right? Many of you complicate your trading, and that is why, you know what, you always have a headache when it comes down to the market, which literally, you know what, it's not necessary. It's honestly not necessary. Keep it simple, guys. Keep it simple. You know, now clean. Let's look at what is happening at the 4 hourly time frame. Now, on the 4 hourly time frame, you know what? I basically had a lovely descending trend line, just like that. And as you guys can see, we had that first, second, yesterday we had the third touch, and it had a beautiful, you know what, shift towards the downside. Now, this was a beautiful move towards the downside. And now all I need to find myself doing is literally just determining what will happen next. How can I find myself, you know what, eating this next move, which is about to happen on 15:30, right? Now, looking at the 4 hourly time frame, guys, keep in mind there's so many ways you can find yourself entering the market. Okay, there's so many ways, and this is literally just one of them because I've shown this to you guys. So I will just, you know what, do it as it is. So as you guys can see, right, I just plotted out a beautiful horizontal line. Now, why did I find myself plotting out this region over here? Now, can you guys see, right? I'm basically plotting out this region because I can see that at this region, we had multiple respects. Is this a coincidence? No, it's not a coincidence, because can you guys see that this happened once, twice, thrice, for the fourth time, for the fifth time, right? So can we find ourselves having that actual push towards the upside for that actual, you know what, sixth touch? Is it guaranteed? No, it's not. But is it possible? Yes, it is, right? So I'm basically having my eye out on that region right over there. We can call it around about 14,834, right? We can call it around about that region right over there. Now, looking at what we currently have with price, right? If I can find myself having another actual horizontal line throughout, just like this region over here, can you guys see at this wick over there? Boom, we had the respect. We came back to that region to the T. We respected that area to the T, right? And if I can go left, check this out. Check this out. Always look left, right? Because once you look left, you will see that there's so many things happening at these regions as well. Look at this. Look at that, right? Multiple respects, making this a strong area of support, which we are currently tapping into, right? And with me saying that this is a strong area of support, you know what? It looks like we want to find ourselves bouncing from this area to have that actual pullback for a potential move back towards the downside. Because keep in mind, right? We are creating a lower low. And after a market create an actual lower low, we expect the market to basically have that pullback, right? And if I can show you guys, look at this. We have this beautiful low to a market then creating a lower low, right? So after a market creating that lower low, we expect some sort of a pullback, right? So that is basically what my 4-hourly time frame is telling me. And that is what I currently have, you know, in the back of my mind on what can potentially happen over the course of 1530, right? Keep in mind, this actual breakdown whatsoever is literally like it's almost going to be like a breakdown for the actual community as well, right? Obviously, inside the community, I'm sharing something a little bit different, right? Which I don't want to find myself exposing on my actual YouTube channel, right? Because they found themselves paying forward. So if you would like to join us on this actual journey, it will come with a cost of only 700 Rand, right? Only 700 Rand. Only 700 Rand, guys. All you can find yourself doing is literally just contacting me. I did upload an actual pamphlet in the community tab. So all you can find yourself doing is literally just go on my YouTube channel in the community tab. You know what? There is an actual image. You'll find my actual contact details right over there at the bottom. So yeah, if you guys are ready, feel free to contact me. Okay. So looking at our actual 2-hourly time frame, right? Our 2-hourly time frame is literally telling me quite a beautiful story, right? Now on the 2-hourly time frame, can you guys see this beautiful gap which we have over here, right? Basically a volume imbalance, right? If I can basically just do that, can you guys see that? You know what? Once we find ourselves creating this volume imbalance over here, can you see price literally came back inside this region and had a beautiful respect from this area, right? So your volume imbalances is also serving as an actual area of support or an area of resistance, depending on where, you know what, where it is basically forming. Okay, now 2-hourly time frame, looking at what price is currently presenting to us right over here, we can basically see that, you know what, we created a beautiful high to a market giving us a higher high over there, right? So this simply means that we are bullish in structure when it comes down to our 2-hourly time frame. And our 2-hourly time frame is literally telling us that we can potentially find ourselves having that actual push to the upside, because now we basically have a change in structure. Keep in mind, you know what, a lot of people is now basically using smart money concept, right? And basically what smart money concept is literally just telling you is the following. If you are inside a bull market, creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, you know, all you need to find yourself doing is literally just wait for that change in structure. Boom, just like that, right? To now a market creating a what? A lower low, right? After that market creates that extra lower low, what are we doing now? We are changing this bullish market structure, you know what? A bearish market structure by breaking below this low over here, basically creating a lower low. So all we need to find ourselves doing is literally just wait for some sort of an actual pullback, see if there's any confirmation inside this actual area telling you that this is where you can find yourself taking price short, and all you literally do is take price short from that area, right? That is basically the principle when it comes down to your smart money concepts. Okay, now 2-hourly time frame, we can see that, you know what, we did create that beautiful higher high. So you know what, if I can box out this beautiful area over here, boom, we can see that we had a beautiful tap inside this area of support. Right now, with us basically tapping inside this area of support, this is now basically telling me that on my lower time frame, you know what, there might be an actual entry for me to take price long as well, right? So me, Diego, I will find myself looking for some beautiful longs over the course of the New York Open. Okay. Now, what I can also find myself doing is literally getting out that fib from my low to my high, right? And expect some sort of initial pullback, maybe back into the minus, the 0.79 area, right, for a potential shift towards the upside, because this will simply mean that now we are inside a deep discounted area, right, and basically take price towards the upside. Can you guys see that, you know what, this -1 area is lining up just above this actual area which I found myself boxing out? And even if I would have to shift this horizontal line towards the upside, right, this is still a significant area which we had a lot of respects on, right? It's still a significant area. Okay. But yeah, I will find myself just looking at this region over here, right? 14,834. So yeah, that is literally it, what our actual our H2 time frame is currently telling us. So let's scale down to our H1 time frame, right? Let's see what our actual H1 time frame is telling us, right? Now, once again, guys, like, why do you need a robot to tell you this when you can be the robot? Why? Why? You know, it just don't make sense. It just does not make sense, right? If this is something that you want to do, and I mean like something that you really want to do, right, you are gonna put in the time and effort to do the necessary on your side to master this craft, right, to master the craft. Because keep in mind, technical analysis, that is a skill set which you can find yourself gaining over time, right? The only thing after that that you need to find yourself focusing on will literally be the psychology. Okay, it's literally it. That's literally it. Now, on the H1 time frame, we can see that we had a beautiful turning point right over here as well, right? So all I want to find myself doing now, we see, did we tap inside this region? Yes, we did, right? Price did find itself tapping inside this beautiful region, which is currently also serving as an area of support. This is also serving as an area of support. So you know what, H1 time frame, we can see that we are bullish in structures, basically painting the same picture as what we have on the H2 time frame, right? High to market and giving us a higher high right over there, right? Let's see if we get our fib out from this high to the low, boom, right? We can see that we do have this region lining up over here as well, right? So I'm going to find myself keeping this region, well, my Fibonacci out just like this. Okay, so 30-minute time frame. What is my 30-minute time frame telling me? What is my 30-minute time frame telling me? My 30-minute time frame is also telling me that, you know what, we are somewhat bullish in structure as well. So you know what, I will find myself looking for some lovely longs when it comes down to 1530. Okay, this area would basically be a nice actual region for me to find myself going long. Okay, if I can maybe adjust it just a little bit, just like that. Right, once again, significant area, multiple respects. I can just adjust it just like that. Maybe just make it 0 point, just like that. And remove my actual Fibonacci. Right, maybe if I have this region boxed out over here as well. My -50 area. Make it -50. Right, if I can box out that region. So that can be a potential target for me. Okay, 15-minute, what's happening over here? What's happening on the 15-minute? We have some relatively equal highs. So I do want to see those highs being taken out over there as well, right? Same thing as our actual, you know what, our 15-minute, right? Relatively equal highs. 5-minute, relatively equal highs as well, right? So now it is literally just a patient game. Now it's literally just a patient game. Keep in mind, you can find yourself having some beautiful entries on your extra low time frame as well. It's not guaranteed that we will find ourselves tapping, you know what, in the 0.78 area, right? But I just like boxing out that area just so that I can know that, you know what, that area is basically lining up right over there. Okay. We can see over here, boom, beautiful push to the upside. Right, we almost came back down inside this beautiful I want to call it like a golden zone. Almost came down inside that region over there, right? But we did it. So yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. What is happening over here? 4 minute. What's happening on the 3 minute? What is happening on the 2 minute? Right, 15 minutes is closed. 15 minutes is closed. $15 is closed. So let's be patient. Let's be patient. So we do have around about, 15 minutes left for this candle to close. So let's be patient. All we can find ourselves doing now is literally just wait. So now I'm gonna find myself just opening my MetaTrader as well. Making myself ready for this beautiful buying opportunity which about to open up. Sellers, I'm sorry, but your stop loss is gonna get hit. Can you guys also see this 1% is also, well, this -1 area is also lining up with this region over here, relatively equal highs. Can you guys see that? Double bottom, well, double top, which was created, right? Suspect area, so we need to find ourselves taking out that region. This whole move already happened. Check this out. Up, down, up, closure below the neckline, retest in the neckline, shows. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Don't get FOMO. 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 Don't get the FOMO. Hey, don't get FOMO. Hey, let's just go back here to the one. Well, the 2 hourly time frame actually, nah. Another full bottom low to the high. Boom. Minus 50 percentage. Getting like nice 60 odd pips. Can squeeze in like a nice 60 pips. I do want to see price basically hit back inside that region over there as well. Why? Look at this. Touch, right? Grab out that trend line, first, second, extended. And you see, once we had the break below, never came back for the retest. Great gems. This is gems. People always say it's gems. Yeah. Guys, keep in mind, right? These things is literally just for, you don't want to find yourself being in drawdown like forever. I just want to be in drawdown like quick, fast, maybe like 15 minutes or so, 5 minutes or so. Then I want to be out of drawdown. Because I don't want to be in drawdown like forever. Let me just squeeze in that 1 to 2. Boom. Just like that. And that is literally my entry. Boom. Now I can find myself removing all the noise. All the noise. Because I don't like noise. I can just key that one. Can just keep that one. So now all I'm gonna find myself doing is literally just wait. Just wait. Wait for the tap. I'm long. Wait for the tap. I'm long. Wait for the tap and I'm long. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm long. All I want to see is the tap. And then all we want to find ourselves doing is literally just wait for New York open. That's it. That is literally it. Let's wait. Let's just wait for the tap. Wait for the tap. Let's wait for the tap. Look at it on the 5 minute. Let's be patient. 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 All we need to do is wait for the tap. Wait for the tap. Wait for the tap. Like what is the confirmation? What is the confirmation? I literally just showed you guys like the confirmation, right? Obviously, the people inside the community, they will know. They will know what it is, right? Or the actual patterns or the stuff that the market is basically creating to why, I want to find myself looking for longs. But I showed you guys. I did show you. So now all I'm waiting for is that tap, and then I'm gonna find myself yeah, getting it. Let's wait. You know what? If we get an actual entry, cool. If not, if price is literally just gonna go there, shift up, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. There's absolutely nothing we can do about it. Oh shoot. I like candles like this ones that has no wick at the top. Let's wait, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait, let's wait. Almost there, almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Ugh. Almost. Ugh. Ah. I might just jump on the train, right? I might just jump on the train, but for now, I just have to wait. So if this candle will basically be a bullish one, then I'll just find myself entering off that candle. Let's wait, let's wait. Let's wait, let's wait. Yeah, but let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. What is happening on the lower time frames? All right, 4 hourly time, well, 4 minute time frame when it does like that. All right. 3 minute when it does like that, huh? All right. Let's wait. Let's wait. You know, candlestick closure is super important as well. Candlestick closure, super important. Super duper important. Super duper important. Oh, okay. See, I'll do it like that. Boom. Yes. So I'm gonna find myself long, guys. I'm long. I am long. Buy NASDAQ. US 100. Clean. I'm in my longs. I'm in my longs. So now all I need to find myself doing is literally just wait. Wait. 2 minutes left for 15:32 arrive. Now it's literally just a waiting game, right? And speaking on it, right? You know, when it comes down to, you know, you having that feeling of, you know, that anxiety feeling whatsoever, that is literally you being uncomfortable with what you are doing, right? Either you are risking too much either you are not comfortable or confident in your actual analysis, right? Those are literally things that you need to find yourself checking off, right? You need to find yourself checking off those actual boxes, because if you're going to find yourself being uncomfortable and all that, hey, that simply means that, you don't have enough, data backing you up when it comes down to your entry method, your strategy, whatsoever you want to find yourself calling it, right? So you need to find yourself having the necessary, backing you up. Okay. 1530. It's 1530. Yeah, 1530. All right. A little bit of a drawdown. Perfectly fine. All right. Now we can find ourselves having that stuck to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We had a beautiful bullish closure though. So that was like confirmation that, we can find ourselves having a beautiful shift. All we need to find ourselves doing now is just wait. Right? Just wait. Clean. We're running some profits. Right? We're running some beautiful profits. We're running some beautiful profits. So just be patient. Be patient. Keep in mind that we do have this beautiful, relatively equal highs, right? Suspect areas, which we need to find ourselves taking out, right? We have that region over there. And then we also do have this region right over here as well. Okay. So once we take out this region over here, this will be nice, because then we will just find ourselves flying. Don't panic. Like, look at this week over there as well. Once again, it's closing with these actual highs over there, right? Suspect areas. We need to take them out. We need to. High time frame told us that we need to. So it's super important to know how to read price. It would have been nice if Nasdaq would have just, just had like one way. So if you're like wrong with your direction, then it's gone. Just one big candle always on 1530. One big one, maybe like one, like 100 pips. It's always 100 pips. That would be crazy. That would have been crazy. And we're still running some profits. I don't like how slow we move. Backing through down, backing through down. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Do not panic. 11 pips throw down. 18 pips throw down. 20 pips throw down. Don't panic. Don't panic. Right? Only if you get like stopped out of this trade, then you are out of your actual trade, right? Only if you get stopped out, you're out of this trade. Wait it out. Wait it out. Now for the pause, you can call it like 3 weeks. We've been having these type of movements on Nasdaq. That's why one's risk is a little bit higher, to accommodate the market to have these actual playground areas. Because look at this. This whole price action over here is like super messy. Super messy. That out just like that. Boom. Be patient. You got this. You got this. Like if price would close below this low over here, then I would know that, okay, cool. You know what? Now we're going to find ourselves having that, a further push to the downside. But as long as we are above these actual, this low over here, then, we cool. We're good. Just be patient. Look at that shift. How does it look on the 1 minute? This is how it looks on the 1 minute. Yoy! A huge push. But that's cool though. Can you see 5 minute? Once again, high. What are we creating? Higher high. Can you see first actual area just being taken out? Equal highs, right? Suspect areas. We need to take out that region. Look at this closure. Strong bullish closure. Next area. These actual relatively equal highs, right? Boom. Those areas are taken out. So what we can potentially expect after this is basically some sort of initial pullback back inside this actual area of, area of support. And we can find a further, a continuation move to the upside. Okay. So let's just wait it out. Beautiful, beautiful profits. Some beautiful profits. Be patient. Just be patient. Just be patient. We're almost at our take profit area. 37 pips. Right, almost at TP, almost at TP, almost at TP. Let's wait it out. And let's go, let's go. Let's go. Are you stopping, bro? Let's just be humble. Let's be humbled. Our take profit will get smacked. I do believe so. Our TP will get smacked. I do believe so. Get this shift. 50-minute shift. Boom. Still have 8 minutes for the 50-minute to close, but I like this. Let's push to the upside. I like it. 30-minute. You know what? If we can close quite bullish, it simply means that, you know what, we are changing structure on the 30-minute as well. So it would be nice to see that. 15-minute as well. Then we might see, okay, there you go. You might see that actual pullback back inside this region, basically getting back at break even, and then have a further shift. Let's wait. Wait, be patient. Our take profit will get smacked. Why this area though? I like to know, like, why? Why this area? What's happening over here? Fair value gap. Only thing that I'm seeing over there. Nothing crazy. Mm, I'm not seeing anything crazy though. Boom, 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 boom. I don't see anything really crazy, so we might take out that region. Wait. All right. Let's wait it out. 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 Boom. Be patient. Don't stress about it. Like, don't be, you see this huge down candle over here. You're like, whoa, no, like keep in mind, Nasdaq have created a higher high. So now we are basically coming back for that actual pullback. Just be patient. Just be patient. All right, now I want to see, can we have a closure above this actual volume imbalance? Can we have a closure above a volume imbalance? Let's wait. Now we just have to wait and see. Back at break even. Right. Beautiful shift. If we can have like a closure above this volume imbalance, I would expect price to then have some sort of a push back inside this imbalance for then another further continuation to the upside. Okay. Okay. Here we have a closure above. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. And there we have a closure. So all I want to find myself doing now is literally just wait for that 50-minute closure. I just want to see that 50-minute close. Hope you guys is enjoying it. Please do hit that like. Please do hit that sub button. Please do hit that like. Please do hit that sub button. That's always something that I tend to forget to ask, but please do hit that sub button. Hit that like button. I will highly, highly appreciate it. Highly, highly appreciate it. And I hope you found this actual content fire. I mean, all of this, I literally just did it live for you. It's no like I did the trade and then I came to you guys and then literally I showed it for you guys live. So I guess it got to count for something. Once again, you know what, if you want to join us on this beautiful journey, it will come with a cost of only 700 Rand, right? What you will basically receive inside this course is literally a Sunday online session, a Wednesday online session, and we will, in the near future, add on another actual online session. This will basically be either on a Tuesday or a Thursday, still deciding on that. And this is literally everything which I am currently showing you guys. Everything. Okay, there we have a tap. Can we have a rejection? Up we go. Up we go. I at least want to see a closure above. Wait, let's just go on the actual 15-minute though. I at least want to see a closure just above. Um, but I don't want a closure below this region though. If you're gonna have a closure below, then we might have a further push to the downside. If you would have a closure below. But I don't want to see a closure below. I want to see a bounce of that region right over there. Just look at it from the 5 minute. It's quite a lot that's happening on the 1 minute. Lean 1 minute, we have bounce. Guys, that's trading for you. That is trading for you. You know, like some people be posting like, you chilling at the beach and, it's all just hyped up situations, when in reality, you just have to sit here and, just look at the charts and be like, oh, okay, this is happening. Oh, all right, that's happening. All right, careful, be careful. Can you guys see that? We have some nice rejections from that area over there. Closer above 14,786 would be nice, because this will simply means that now we can have like that bullish push to the upside. I don't like what is currently happening now, like this slow momentum, this choppiness, I don't like it. This over here, I don't like it. I don't. What's happening on higher time frame? Okay, H1. Not bad. Understandable to why we are like fluctuating inside this area, because looks like when is it at 4? At 4 we will, it's probably 4 or 5, then we will have that actual push to the outside. But just wait. Yeah, I must probably sound like someone that is like controlling the market or something like that. No, I don't. I obviously don't. None of us do. Right? Now I'm just gonna find myself monitoring price on the H1. I'm not gonna find myself going to the lower time frames. You know, at lower time frames, there's too much happening over there. So now it's literally just a waiting game. I would like to see if we can have a closure above 14,765, around about 4, and then basically just come back and then have that push to the upside. Let's wait. Let's wait. And in the comment section, like, how's y'all journeys? Like, for those who has been following me for quite a while, how's y'all journeys been going? Like, have you guys seen some growth inside your journey? Like, yeah, like, what's up? What's happening? What's happening? Are you happy with where you are inside your journey? Are you not happy? What challenges do you guys basically have inside the market? Yeah, hook me up. Let me know. Let me know. Actually, now that I'm looking at the 1 hourly time frame, look at this. This is also actually a significant area. Look at how we just tapped and rejected. Price will always come back to previous areas inside the market. Always. Always. Okay, we're running some beautiful profits. Some beautiful, beautiful profits. Just checking whether we are always the 50 percentage, right? Somewhere here. So price might fluctuate at this region where we are currently at. But hey, we have no say about it, you know. We just gonna have to be patient about it. Like they're around about 40 pops away from take profit. In reality, we wait. I can't even play some music, guys. Like, yo, I can't play some music because YouTube will be like, hey, copyright that. Music off. But yeah, is what it is. Are we now 50% in? Are we now 50% in? Yeah, go. We are 50% in. I'm gonna find myself closing 50% of my position because now I then literally just sit with a 1-to-1 ratio. So that's now I sit with a 1-to-1 ratio. So if I get stopped out, 1-to-1 ratio. I basically, if I get stopped out, I will basically close my actual trade at just a little bit of a profit. Just a little bit of a profit. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. About 25 pops away. It's not a long way. Who told you Batman don't dance? Do 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 do. I have to sing my own song down. Do 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 do. Do, 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 do. Let's wait. 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 We have about 6 minutes for our H1 time frame to close. 6 minutes for our H1 time frame to close. Sixteen pops away. Hey. Right. Let's wait. 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 Almost there. We have about 5 minutes left for our our 1 hourly to close. So 30 minute looking like 30 minute looks quite fresh. Looks clean. Looks quite clean. Looks clean. Super clean. Okay, I'm gonna find myself closing my trade at 14.810. That's 14.810. I'll find myself closing my trade. Let's wait. Like, look at that region. We need to take out these highs. We need to take out those highs. They look too juicy. You know, sometimes you have to wait for literally hours and hours of hours. Like, this content won't be edited, nothing like that. This is raw. This is raw, guys. Raw content for you guys. No editing whatsoever. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button. This is literally the reality of trading. This is the reality of trading. You know, like now I basically have two choices, right? At this current moment, I have two choices. What I can do is put my trade at break even. So when I get stopped out, I still gain that 1%, right? Option number two would be, you know what, keep this area like this. And, you know what, if price is going to basically stop me out over here, you know what, it is a break even trade, or just a little bit in profit, but you can say that it is a break even trade, right? And then, you know what, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Those are my two options, which I currently have, right? Those are my two options. And currently, what I'm choosing is to keep my actual stop loss just like it is, right? And you know what? If we get stopped out, then cool. I'm comfortable with it. I'm comfortable. Uncomfortable. So then I have a break-even day. Then I have a break-even day. So 20 seconds left for a 30-minute to close. 20 seconds left off. Well, 13 seconds left for our 1 hourly to close as well. Right. Keep in mind that 30-minute, what did we do? High, higher high. You know what? So after a market is creating that actual higher high, expect some sort of an actual pullback, right? The market is not just gonna move impulse, you know, just up and up. No, market moves in corrections and impulses, both of them, not just one, right? So don't always just expect you wanting to jump inside an actual trade and then, you know what, the trade needs to go immediately inside your direction whatsoever. No, it doesn't, right? It doesn't. Guys need to take into consideration that shit. You know what? Trade closed, right? I closed my actual trade. I closed my trade. So yeah, clean opportunity. Clean opportunity. Almost got too excited there for a minute. Almost got too excited, but you know what? I found myself closing my actual trade. So now what I'm gonna find myself doing is literally chill out, come back tomorrow, and you know what? Do what I just did over again. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this actual content. You know what? It's me, your boy D. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out. Don't forget to hit that like. Don't forget to hit that sub button, guys. Don't forget to do that. Much love. I'm out.